Dear students, today we want to discuss how to write significance in research. The first question is being raised, why do we write significance? Because it is an essential part in research and it is written in introduction section. This is human nature that human beings do not want to read something until they know its significance. So, significance highlights the topic, highlights the main issue. If there is more significance, people will pay more attention to it. And if the topic and domain is quite significant, there are more chances of publication. For example, if a research paper uh, shows that it has the solution of COVID 19, every journal will rush to publish it and they will be ready to nominate the person for Nobel Prize because this is an emerging issue. You can also mention that how your research paper or your study solves some powerful or vast ranging problem. If your work is more significant, you will be able to have more funding. So that's why significance is very important. Significance in research paper, what will you write in this section? Which thing has motivated to choose this topic? Your motivation. Why is it significant? And how is it significant? You can also think about its contribution. Contribution is also manifold. That is this beneficial for expanding the boundary of that subject? Then it is very interesting. If it can move the research process forward, it is also very beneficial. And if some industrial benefits or societal benefits have been involved, that is the significance. When you are describing significance, please keep in your mind that you are not just praising something, praising without any foundation. You are highlighting your research work without any exaggeration. While you are describing it, use jargon, use key terms of that domain. You can find out the key terms under the abstract. There are keywords. So use keywords while you are discussing or you are highlighting the significance of some field. Place, size, and tense. Where is its place? Its place is in chapter 1, introduction chapter. You can give a separate heading of significance or you can write without heading. Usually, if you are writing a thesis, you give heading, and if you are just writing in some research paper, there is no need of any separate heading. You should use a simple present tense. One paragraph is enough in a small paper. If you are writing a dissertation mean PhD level thesis, you can write 3 to 4 paragraphs. Do not use abbreviations in significance, and you can give 1 or 2 references to validate your points. Now I will share some sample significance sections. This is the topic of a research paper, corpus-based sentiment classification of Tamil movie tweets using syntactic patterns by Nadana and Shriram. The proliferation of Twitter has generated a source of extremely large data, and most of the information is publicly accessible to all users. Twitter users express their opinions about a wide range of issues like movie, politics, technology, books, religion, food, sports. Mining this volume of sentiments provide information. Especially pay attention to the red colored words. Provide information. So it's significant because it is providing information. for understanding collective human behavior, and it is of valuable commercial interest to a particular movie. It's valuable, you can give the hint. Product or service. Most of the aspects shared by all these opinions are the subjectivity, since the sentiments expressed by the users about a product or service is not biased. This is also its quality, that this is not biased. Sentiment analysis of data collected from Twitter users can be able to extract the general emotion of users in relation to a range of topics. These sentiments can be very useful. You will highlight the usefulness of your research for com- companies to decide about their competitors and user feelings about their product, and also useful for individuals to decide whether to purchase this product or not. So industrial benefit is also there, and different other types of benefits have also been discussed. So what would be the benefit of your research? You will focus in significance. There is another sample, a knowledge graph bonding with themes and characters, an educational data mining study by Zafar. The significance of knowledge graph is manifold, that they interconnect relevant key themes from sources of huge text. Furthermore, it is a new way of knowledge discovery. This is the newness. Without programming skill, the distant reading technique of knowledge graph develops the bonding between key themes and characters to discuss and interpret the text. In hermeneutics, different layers of knowledge are interpreted by interconnecting different key themes. This time consuming, highly intellectual work and error prone work has been done with the use of knowledge graphs created by a links tool in Vaillant Suite. Moreover, human brains can ignore several nodes of entity relationship. However, the automated links tool cannot leave any possible thematic link from the text. Another view is that close reading of a text has its own literary player, but digital natives need automated digital tools to discover fast and authentic knowledge patterns. So, this is also one benefit. Furthermore, NASA and Google also use knowledge graphs to elaborate their data and findings. This trend is also very common to study medical repositories. For instance, PubMed has been studied with Alibaba tool. So this is another contribution, and reference has also been given. Furthermore, industry and academia. Now, in significance, we present significance in different domains as well as industry and academia, having gotten extensive benefits from knowledge graphs. Libraries get ample advantage to explore the interrelationships between topics and themes from big data texts, so libraries can get benefit. Moreover, recently web-based knowledge graphs have also been introduced to extract knowledge patterns from web data, so it mines data at runtime. This is also very important. This is one benefit, that you can get results at runtime at the same time. This paper reports on application and analysis of links tool from Beyond Text Mining Suite, which creates knowledge graph from 5 selected biographical essays. Therefore, it focuses on the creation of knowledge graphs. This is one benefit, and then tests the ratio of accuracy and inaccuracy of knowledge graphs by comparing them with source text information. So whilst you are writing, please focus on the red colored words too. Dissertation sample of significance. Obviously, dissertation is a big document, so its significance is written in several paragraphs. This is the significance of my dissertation. Unveiling knowledge patterns in intermediate English textbooks through Beyond Text Mining Tools, a digital humanities study by Zafar. Human beings evolved from the modern world to the postmodern and digital modern world. So textual big data have scattered on countless websites, books, and other sources. But it is a big challenge to extract useful knowledge patterns in the shortest possible time. Thus, the academic challenges of digital natives have also changed. And beyond like tools have become a necessity to explore knowledge patterns from big data. So this is one contribution that it is necessity. Furthermore, many modern students lose interest in printed textbooks and resort to digital content in higher education commission as higher education commission has started to promote digital books and digital libraries. Here look at one significance is that this study can solve the problems. To address these challenges, digital text mining tools have become a necessity to connect academia and digital advancement through text analytics and text mining. As the newness, this is also significance that you will find the newness of your research. As the newness of the current research is concerned, it's the introductory study in digital humanities in Pakistan. In the world, some corpus based textbook analysis have been done, but a few research projects have applied digital tools for vaunting of English literature and ESL textbooks in the world. To fill this gap, this study has been conducted. So, how will your study fill the gap? That is also significance. Filling the gap is a significant. Its significance is evident with its manifold academic contributions. Academic contributions also significance. Prime stakeholders of this research are students, teachers, and the publishing industry. More than these are the beneficiaries. More than 1 million intermediate students can become direct beneficiaries of this research by preparing their subjective and objective papers. Moreover, automated, self-paced, digital, and dynamic study concepts have been promoted with the current research. Generating corpus summary, finding any keyword, collocation patterns, n-gram, knowledge graph, and keyword in context is swift and easy. Learning syntactic pattern in keyword in context can become fun, and learning visual vocabulary in the form of word clouds can enhance learners' interest and innovation. Finding context, searching answers to objective papers, playing with textbooks, and learning from digital contents are key advantages of text mining. So, you will mention key advantages of your research. That is also significance. Digital native teachers and students are better able to get numerous benefits from these knowledge patterns and interactive visuals. To this end, they utilize this digital text in their classrooms. So use of this study in their classrooms, this is also significant. As well as in their homes. Students and teachers can employ self-made corpora in the classrooms as they are being used in top-ranking universities of the world. Consequently, a new wave of digital learning can be generated by the current study, especially during pandemic circumstances. So, new wave of digital learning, this is also the newness. Pedagogical implications of this study are significant. For instance, summary tool quantifies stylistic features and corpus features of any literary text. Cirrus tool presents key themes and characters which are used for previewing purposes of a book. Phrases tool extracts collocations that are used for linguistic fluency. Links tool generates knowledge graphs to find the interrelationship of various themes and characters to facilitate hermeneutics. Finding answers to objective papers and compiling material on one topic has become convenient with context tool. NLP experts and software engineers have used different Python libraries to extract knowledge patterns, and social scientists and learners of humanities feel difficulty to use Python libraries. For instance, Pandas, Numbly, word cloud to generate word cloud cirrus, Python NLTK is used to search collocations, ngram context and summary of corpus, and pyplot library is used to generate knowledge graphs. Beyond tools and this study are significant. Look at here again we show the significance because a humanities background student or teacher can easily extract various aforementioned knowledge patterns with the Beyond suite without any coding or programming skill. since all codes are inbuilt in Beyond tools. Commercial significance, industrial linkages, they are very important in any significance. Commercial significance in the publishing industry is that publishers would be able to generate countless standard helpful material, exercises for publication of exercise books, sample objective papers, vocabulary lists and collocations, grams or lexical bundles. As interactive visuals enhance learning and memorization skills, the use of data visualization can be enhanced in printed and digital textbooks, which are gaining immense popularity. Thereupon, these interactive visuals can increase the readership, popularity, and sale of digital books. Above all, it will set new trends of studying textbooks with data visualization and interdisciplinary approaches. Therefore, the current study materializes the intellectual vision of polymath who is dexterous in multidisciplinary Renaissance studies. I have given two in-text citations while I was writing significance. You have also observed that significance has been mentioned on academic ground, intellectual, and linguistic, and uh, industrial linkages have also been built. So, if you face any problem, please feel free to discuss. I'm here to assist you. Thank you so much. And you should take any sample as a guide and start writing your significance according to that pattern. Thank you so much.